Okay, this is Hagen Watchmakers. I'm trying a new mount here for my camera. I'm not sure you're going to get a great view, but this is a ETA 6498 movement that I purchased, stripped down, cleaned, and put that together and lubricated. And this is the current design here. And I could not find the proper screws, since this is, you can get the 6498, 6497 ETA movements in an imitation, a clone, or the original. These are all imitations, which means they're not exact replicas. It's not a clone. I purchased these on eBay. So I'm going to try to put these clamps in. These are the clamps that hold the movement in against the case. And I find this to be very difficult to do. So the clamps are, I don't know if this picks it up. Where's the camera? Over here. The clamp, I don't know if you can see that, but it's beveled up. And here comes my dog, Palo. Palo, go lay down, bud. Go lay down. Lay down. So I'm placing the clamp. The clamp has to extend into the actual movement, across the movement, across the case movement extension ring into the case. And I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but that's the way that is placed right here. So these screws fit, I just don't know how well it's going to work for me. So try to drop them down in there and then screw them in place. And I've learning this watchmaking and just the actual picking up of screws, and it's quite challenging in a lot of ways, learning how to do this. Careful of the balance spring on this side. The balance spring is rather close to the movement clamp. I don't want to over tighten this just yet. That actually went a lot smoother than I thought. And I lost a clamp. There was a clamp. Bought this assortment of clamps from Esslinger. So unfortunately I lost one and I need to grab one. Don't know where that went. Just want to drop this clamp on the other side here. And then place the screw. Mark Lovick is my teacher online, and to watch him, he's been working on watches since the 80s, and he's just a pleasure to watch. He's so steady and careful. Pal, you want to get down? Make sure that clamp is extended into the... Come here. I can see you want to get down. Come on. You got to lay down, bud. I don't want to see you fall off this. Paolo, I put him on the floor, and then he wants to get on the desk, and then I put him on the floor, and he wants to get on, it goes back and forth. I want to make these somewhat snug, not over tighten, because they'll break. And that's good. So the movement is, there's no rattling in the movement. The movement does not move at all, which makes me very happy.